Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. We're going to learn a whole new word today, a word you haven't heard before. And the word we're going to learn is synonym. This is a long word, and that is how you say it, synonym. And you might be thinking right now, that sounds like a word I kind of know that I've learned. That would be correct. Synonym sounds a lot like a word we've already learned. Antonym or opposite. Remember how antonym means the opposite of something? Like hot and cold, those are opposites. Those are antonyms. This week we're going to be learning about synonyms. So, what do y'all think synonym is? If antonym means the opposite, what do y'all think synonym means? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to think hard about it. Synonym. Synonym means the same. It's not the opposite, it's the same. So, like hot and cold are opposite, they mean different things. We could say cold or chilly or freezing. Those all mean the same. So cold and freezing are synonyms because they mean the same thing. So let's read this right here. Synonyms are words that mean the same or almost the same thing. Learning synonyms for words you already know is a good way to build your vocabulary. And remember what this word vocabulary just means words. It just means that we're going to be learning and learning more words. And that way when we're doing our writing, we can become more creative and more detailed if we know more words that mean the same thing. Instead of just saying, I went outside and it was cold, we can say, let's think of some synonyms for cold to make my story more interesting. And you could say, I went outside and it was freezing. The wind was icy. It was so chilly. It was a chilly morning. A lot of words that mean the same, that just enhance your reading and writing. So right here, the sentence is, the bus ride was fast. We can also say the bus ride was quick. Those mean the exact same thing, right? The bus ride was quick. The bus ride was fast. That's telling us the same thing by using two different words. So fast and quick are synonyms. See how easy that is? Remember, antonyms are opposite, synonyms the same. So let's read these sentences over here for examples. Grapes are a tasty snack. Then you can write grapes are a yummy snack. Those sentences mean the same thing. You think grapes are tasty, yummy. You could also say grapes are a delicious snack. That would mean the same thing. So tasty, yummy, delicious, those are all synonyms. Let's look right here. A large number of grapes were in the basket. A large amount of grapes were in the basket. Those two sentences mean exactly the same thing, but they use a synonym and different synonyms. A large number of grapes, a large amount of grapes. So number and amount mean the same thing. Let's look right here. The table can fit in this area. The table can fit in this space. Area and space must be synonyms because those two sentences mean the exact same thing. The table can fit in this area. The table can fit in this space. And this right here is just showing you from this sentence that fast and quick are synonyms. So we have three sentences here with synonyms. Tasty and yummy are synonyms. Number and amount are synonyms. And area and space are synonyms. So I'm going to write a couple of words on this board, and we're going to play a little game where you think of synonyms to the words that I'm writing up here. Let's see. Hot. Now we know the opposite or antonym for hot is cold. What's a good synonym for hot? Can y'all think of any? For hot, a synonym? You might say warm. If you were writing a sentence, it is hot outside. Let's think of different words we could use instead of saying it is hot outside. We could say it is warm outside. What if we said it is toasty outside? That can mean hot too, right? If we said it is warm outside, it is toasty outside, those all mean the same thing as saying it is hot outside. So, let's think of another word we could say in a sentence. Let's write this sentence. The grass is wet. So let's say we're going out on the playground and it rained and rained and rained all night, and I tell y'all, stay off the grass. The grass is wet. What's a synonym I could use for wet that would mean the same thing and would still let y'all know that the grass is wet and I don't want you to walk on it? Let's think. What else could I say? Could I say the grass is damp? Yes, because that means wet. The grass is... oh, can't think of one. The grass is moist. Some people don't like that word moist, but that also means wet. We're saying the grass is wet. So if I said, don't step on the grass, it is wet, y'all would say, okay, but also if I said, don't step on the grass, it is damp, that would mean the same thing as wet. Don't step on the grass, it is moist, that would mean the same thing as wet, right? That would still tell you that the grass has some water on it and you shouldn't step on it. So these are all synonyms. So let's do one more together. Let's say I said, let me think for just a minute. Okay, let's say if I said the flowers are beautiful. Let's think of some synonyms I could use to replace this word right here, beautiful. But that would mean the exact same thing. I could say the flowers are pretty. Pretty would mean the same thing, right? I could say the flowers are lovely. Those words are synonyms for beautiful. The flowers are beautiful, the flowers are pretty, and the flowers are lovely all mean the same thing. So beautiful, lovely, pretty, and lovely are synonyms of each other. So I hope you guys all understand what synonyms are. We're going to be doing several activities today talking about synonyms. So let's review just one more time. The grapes are tasty, snack. Grapes are a yummy snack. Tasty and yummy are synonyms. They mean the same thing. A large number of grapes were in the basket. A large amount of grapes were in the basket. Number and amount mean the same thing in those sentences. The table can fit in this area. The table can fit in this space. Area and space are synonyms because they mean the same thing. So a good way that you can remember about if it's a synonym or not is just put it in your sentence, and does the sentence still mean the same thing? If I write the flowers are beautiful, and then I change that out to say the flowers are pretty, does that mean the same thing? It doesn't change the meaning of my sentence. So that means it's a synonym. It means the same thing. Because I could say the flowers are lovely, and you would get the same point that I thought the flowers were very pretty. So that's a good way to always remember about synonyms. When you're thinking about synonyms, think, if I put this new word in, it's going to change the meaning of the sentence. If it doesn't, then that's a synonym of the word you were using. So just remember our rules for synonyms. It's not going to change the meaning of your sentence. The bus ride was fast. The bus ride was quick. Those sentences mean the same thing. Fast and quick mean the same thing. It doesn't change the meaning of our sentence. So they're synonyms. So now I want you to click over to the next slide. You're going to have an activity that you're going to do that focuses on synonyms, or words that mean the same. Remember, antonyms are opposite. Synonyms mean the same. Good luck.